Hi friends, in today's video tutorial, we would study how to freeze layers in AutoCAD. So here we are having a layout of an office plan. If you click on the Home tab in the Layers panel, and if you click on this drop down, you can see this drawing is composed of three layers: Layer 0, Layer Furniture, and Layer Labeling. If I want to freeze the furniture layer, then you can see this sunlight symbol. So if I click on this sun, you can see all the objects which were created in the furniture layer would disappear. Remember, they are not deleted, they are just hidden. And then again, if I click on the Home tab in the Layers panel and click on this drop down, and then when I click on the snowflake icon, then it will thaw that layer and show me all the contents of that particular layer. Now also remember that when you freeze a layer in the Model tab and then go into the Layout tab, you will see the layer furniture is disappeared in the Layout tab as well. If you want that the layer should be hidden only in the Model tab, not in the Layout, then there is a different technique. Let me show you how to do that. So I'll click on this and I will unfreeze the layer so that the objects are visible in the Model tab as well as in the Layout tab. Now what I'm doing is I'm clicking on this outline of this viewport to activate that viewport. See, if you click outside, it is deactivated. When you click on the outline, now it is active. And then when you double click, you are now inside that viewport. Now, if I click on this tab, you will notice that you get a different icon, and this icon means freeze only in the current viewport. So now the furniture layer is there. I'll freeze it only in the current viewport. Now if you go in the Model tab, you'll see the furniture layer is there in the Model tab, but it is frozen only in the Layout tab. And then when you want to unfreeze it, again click on this drop down and again unfreeze it, and the objects are visible. Please subscribe for more such interesting tips.